So you do your workout, but you're going to be doing it in front of the mirror, and that's when you think you're going to be doing the exercise correctly. And the answer is don't. Stay tuned. All right, so one of the things that happens in my practice is I give patients exercises. These are dynamic exercises. In other words, we don't isolate an area and just work out that area. It's the movement and the workout of that area as the rest of the body moves as well. So people are always saying, well, I need to look at myself in the mirror to see if I'm doing it correctly. Listen, your brain already has that area in your head. You don't need to look at yourself in the mirror to see if you're doing the exercises correctly. Instead of doing that, try to really see it with the eyes of your brain. This is what proprioception is, the knowledge of knowing where you are in space at any given moment. In the process of looking yourself in the mirror to see if you're correct when you're doing the dynamic movements, you actually lose the very form that is necessary to move that exercise or do that exercise correctly. So slow down, trust that your brain is going to see it. If you don't practice it, you lose it. Maybe you want to videotape yourself and evaluate. So in other words, you're investing time in doing these exercises, which is definitely worth it, because once your brain gets it, you have it for life, unless you injure yourself. To better understand that little addendum I just threw in, check out my website. In the description box, you'll find it. And make sure you send me your questions if you have them. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Take care.